Restoring sending privileges on your Bank of America account can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account profile icon. Step 3. Check Sending Privileges. In the Account Settings, look for a section related to transaction limits or sending privileges. Review the current status to see if your sending privileges are restricted. Step 4. Request restoration. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your request, check your email or account notifications for confirmation. Ensure that your sending privileges have been restored by attempting a small transaction. Following these steps should help you restore your sending privileges with Bank of America. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.